everyone. Today we're going to talk about comparing and ordering integers. Okay, so let's just dig in right away and let's start with an example. So my example is compare 2 and -6. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a number line. And we're comparing 2, which is a positive number, and -6, which is a negative number. So we're going to need to look at where we put our 0. So I'm going to put my 0 over here because I know that I can go 0, 1, 2, 3, and that will cover my positive side. For my negative side, I'm going to go -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, the thing we need to remember about our number line is the farther we get from 0 when we go to the right, the greater our number is. And then the farther we get from 0 to the left, the less our number is. Okay, so even though our number is growing, see, like from 1 to 6, 6 is technically a higher number, but that negative means it's actually becoming less quantity. Okay, so then when we look at this, we can say that 2 is to the right of -6, so 2 is greater than -6. And remember, with our greater and our less than signs, you want that alligator mouth to face the greater number. Hard to make it. So your alligator mouth is going to face your greater number, the higher number. Okay? Okay, so this is a horizontal line. Let's look at a vertical number line because we can do a vertical number line too. So for example, 2, we're going to compare -5 and -3. All right. So now if I'm doing a vertical number line, my vertical, that's up and down, vertical number line. Okay. Now I don't have any positive numbers, so remember on the vertical number line, we're going to go, when we go up, my number is greater. And when we go down, my number is less. Okay? And so since I don't have anything that is above 0, I'm going to put 0 here. And then I can work down. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and I could keep going. Remember, because number lines go on and on and on and on and on. Okay, so -5 is all the way down here, and -3 is up here. So I can say that -5 is below -3, so -5 is less than -3. Remember, -3 is greater, so it's got the alligator mouth facing it. Okay, so that's how I can use number lines to help me compare them. And then I can also use number lines to help me order them. So, for example, 3. Order -4, 3, 0, -1, and -2 from least to greatest. Okay, so I'm going to go with a horizontal number line this time. Draw my number line. Remember, put your arrows on the end to show that it goes on and on and on and on and on. All right, I'm going to put my 0 in the middle this time because I have both positive and negatives, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. All right, now I'm going to put my numbers on the number line. I'm going to graph them. So first, I need -4. Here's 1. Now I need 3. Here's that one. Now I need 0. There's that one. Then I need -1. There we go. And then I need -2. There we go. All right, now in order to order them, all I'm going to do is I'm going to write them in a list form from left to right because that's from least to greatest. So left to right. -4, comma. If you were typing this, you would write -4, comma, space. -2 is my next one. Comma, space. -1 is my next one. Right? Comma, space, 0, comma, space, 3. And before I finish, before I say, okay, that's my answer and I'm going to submit, I want to count my numbers. Did I order all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I ordered all of them. Okay? So since I did that, I know that I have the right amount of numbers. One of the easiest mistakes that I see kids make is they leave out a number. They forget one. Okay, so be careful about that. Make sure that you put them all in order. All right, there you go. There's your lesson for how to compare and order integers. Your assignment today, you're going to be entering your answers like this or like this. But you should be doing your work on a piece of paper. Remember, you're always supposed to have paper and pencil out when you're doing your practice assignments because you should be practicing the way that I'm teaching you, okay? Remember, if you did not take notes, you should pause the video and make sure you copy down all of these notes.